Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video about simple do-it-yourself M50 manifold swap. The reason I say simple is because I decided to delete the sap in favor of a PCV catch can, and that doesn't leave you with much. The fitment was actually surprisingly easy, using mostly the original parts. Didn't need the kit, of course. I know people are like, oh, you can make it, you can couple it together. But this is pretty simple. All you need is the BMW piece to plug into there, a little bit of elbow for the idle control valve, and pipe the original hose with the original fitting to the original hole. And I got the Mishimoto boot here. I did the old top and screw this in and glue it, which a lot of people do. Gonna use that for the vacuum for the fuel pressure regulator. For the CC idle control ICV bracket, all I did was bend it straight and bend it back 90 the other way. I was able to mount it just like this. The other thing I added is a little bracket here for the dipstick, just to hold that straight. And all you had to do with this guy is basically stick this end in something and twist this a little bit, just so instead of sitting straight and being straight here, it needs to be over a little bit. I don't know if I got it quite right, but we'll see. Might have bent it a little too much, but that's about how much it should be over. And of course, purge control right here. We're not going to be running heat, although you could if you really want to. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is just a little custom 3D printed piece. It's going to run, do the vacuum for my PCV catch can, and that is pretty much it. The oil dipstick's just capped off, and the water is just looped. There's the other 3D printed piece for the catch can. I also designed a plug for this that you can print instead of buying the $20 one. Might put a few of those on eBay if anybody's interested. Anyway, I'll put links in the description, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'm just using the front bracket, of course. The rear brackets would have to go right through here. But the M50 Manifold fella says he usually just uses the front one, so. And I am using his gasket for the throttle body. Other than that, normal manifold mods, and you guys take care. I'll make an update once installed.